In this video, we're going to talk about how you can send an online check using Bank of America. So I'm just going to refer us to this article here. This person, Dan Leville, does a very good summary of how we can send an online check with Bank of America. So the first step, we will need to go to Bill Pay Center. This is after we have logged in into our Bank of America account or on the Bank of America application. Then the second step is creating a new Pay-to account by typing in their first and last name under Pay an Individual. And then the third step is going to be filling out their address and any additional information that they might require. Now that their Pay-to account is created, the next screen allows you to choose an amount, send date, and memo. You can now easily send them checks in the future. And basically, after you have done all of this, you can send a check using the Bank of America online website, or you can do this by using the mobile app as I have explained, and that's really how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub if it did, and I'll see you next time.